Hey guys, here's Robbie, your credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week I want to talk about my score. Yes, my credit score dropped 38 points. All right, guys, so how did my credit score drop 38 points like that? Which really upset me is that I recently bought a car. I bought a car in early July. And, I was checking my Credit Karma credit score, and roughly within about 3 weeks later, that account was reported to my credit report, and Credit Karma said, "Oh, we've seen that you recently purchased a car. Congratulations. Check out these lenders that might offer you a better rate." So I did. I had nothing to do that day. I checked, and a new lender gave me a better deal. Dropped my payment by $80. $80 is $80 a month. That's $960 a year. So I took that offer. Of course, they had to do another hard inquiry on my credit report. And of course, it wasn't done within 14 days. And that inquiry alone, given the fact that I also added a new account, and that inquiry dropped my score, guys. My score dropped 38 points. So I'm still at 700 points, but man, I was a little bit shy. I was upset. But you know what? Even to the credit expert, our scores can drop. That just goes to show you guys that the credit system is really paid out for us to lose. I don't even know why my score dropped that many points. You would assume I had missed a payment. I got a new loan, got 2 inquiries, and my score dropped. What can I do? All I have to do now is make my payments on time. But now I'm going to have another new account. What a big mistake. But, long term, my scores are going to go back up quick. But that just goes to show you guys that if your score drops, don't panic. As long as you're not making payments, as long as your credit card balances don't go up. Sometimes things do happen. It's a price you have to pay to save some money. I'm willing to take that anytime. So guys, I hope this tip helps. I hope that what I share with you guys helps you guys a little bit. And if your score drops, make your payments on time. Don't worry, they'll go back up. I'll do a recap later on to see as soon as my points go up. All right, guys, talk to you guys soon. Have a great Wednesday.